Using this circuit, you can make a dual power supply whose given current is up to 100 milliamperes. There is no need to feed the circuit with an external power supply, and your PC USB is all you need. This circuit can create a negative voltage which can be used for a DIY microphone amplifier. If you want to make your own mic, watch this video. The USB voltage is about 4.8 after connecting, and the output voltage is -70 volts. Pay attention that a Zener diode can control the output voltage, and this value drops immediately. Let's make the circuit. Remove the coil from the core. Note that the value of the resistance of the coil is very important to generate a large current. At the output, it should be around 3 ohms. Low impedance of the coil gives a low output current. The 9-volt batteries in the previous video. This inductor is optional and can reduce some high-frequency noises. Put it between the plus 5 volts of the USB and the circuit. Finally, by connecting a USB to USB cable, the circuit can be fed. Thanks for watching.